Okay, I'm gonna try and keep this one short. This is just to help people that own about a 2005 to 2007 Ford Focus with the dual overhead cam 2-liter, not the CVH or whatever earlier engine. And the issue you might come across is, so this hose from the reservoir goes down here, goes into a T that goes into the thermostat housing, then continues on down there as the heater hose. I know it's really hard to see, but people that have this problem will understand. Well, anyways, this T that's down here, and mine's been modified. I made the hose from the thermostat housing to that T longer, because what happens is that T breaks. It's very fragile. Nobody has that T. You can see the one easy to remove clamp here. The other three are the black Ford ones that don't look like they're removable. You might want to just replace the hose clamps with something easier. But anyways, I got them off with a pair of vice grips that had sharp teeth. Got a nice grip on them because there's no tab to get a hold of, but there's little areas you can wiggle your way in there and get it off. But anyways, the problem is with that T breaking and getting fragile, it's not a replaceable part by anyone you can look up. And so what I came across is the hoses standard heater hose size, so you can just pick this up from Dorman. There's your part number, there's the package, and that's what it is. It's about a 3/4 inch T. Got this off of Amazon for like $7. I think I saw one, maybe a metal one, for like 10 or more, but I didn't look that hard into it. I needed to get this car done quick. That's why I had this extra one. I ordered this from Amazon for $7, and then I found a local auto parts store that had a warehouse locally that could get it to me, so I could get my car back on the road. Now the one you'll see normally, see how that's flat. The one that's built in the Ford hose has a curve like that, but that, like I said, that part's not serviceable separate without the whole hose, which is $100. This is $7. That'll save you some time, a lot less pain in the neck job. Yeah, I know if your hoses are bad, this don't help you, but if all it happens is that T, and it's made out of some really garbage plastic. What happened to mine is that sensor there, I had to replace the power steering pump in the hose, and that sensor, now you can see it, is straight. Normally it goes up to avoid that T. You can force it in there, but then you'll have to have the hose tilted, but then they kind of rub. So, and that's what eventually happened to when I first changed the hose. That sensor whacked into the already fragile factory T and broke it. And then go, one last look at that. There's your part number. So I hope that helps you out. And once again, see ya.